Wow, 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 wow. I mean that. Wow. Okay, we are now standing in the Nakamura-Tome factory. And I can't show you the whole thing as much as I would love to, so you're gonna have to use your imagination a little bit. So imagine this. There are 9 machines in here. 9. Doing the work of what would normally be over 50 machines. Multitasking to make 300 or more parts on 9 machines. Are you kidding me right now? And we are standing not just in front of the mother machine, but they're calling it the grandmother machine, right? So let's talk about with the audience what you're doing in this fully automated mother machine Nakamura-Tome factory here.
Thank you. So we have the 9 machine at here. So this is the multitasking machine plant. We have the other plant, the grinding machine plant, and also machining center plant. So this multitasking plant, we have the 9 machine. Yeah, as you said. So 9 machine deal with more than 300 type of parts. If we don't combine the process on one machine, our main value in the combined process one machine, right? Multitasking. And if we don't do that, we need triple number of machine, triple floor space, and triple, I think, operator also. Yeah, this is totally different, and also this is very important. And we use our machine by ourselves. And also we feel main value same to customer. And the correct idea from our operator and develop new machine. This is the important way.
Shogo-san, I am so impressed. And for those of you who watch MTDCNC regularly, every time we do a customer testimonial, we talk about the ability to multitask. That's a real specialty of Nakamura-Tome. So, the reason I say that is because we are now in Japan in the factory, and it's not just about saying things. They practice what they preach. Again, I will reiterate, 9 machines, fully automated, doing 300 or more pieces. And I see very few people walking around because it's one of those cells that allows you to multitask. This is not just made up from a customer. This is practice, this is reality, and this is what's happening when you can multitask the way Nakamura-Tome does.
That's right. And also multitasking, combining many process to one machine from material to complete part, and easy to automate. If you array the 6 machine, you need a 6 robot. But we use a 1 machine, 1 robot. It's easier way.
It's so impressive. And normally I like to take these conversations and talk and talk and talk. You guys all know I like to talk, especially with Shogo-san on camera. But this is the actual point, is the ability to take so many machines, put all those capabilities into one machine or a few machines and do all of those tasks, saving real estate space, saving money, saving time, saving production, all of these things. And let's just talk about quickly the fact that if we have more machines, we have more operators. If we have more operators, there's a chance that that operator's not taking that part from one machine to the next machine perfectly. There's more room for mistakes. The ability to reduce all of these operations into these machines. Shogo-san, I'm at a loss of words, which is rare because of how amazing this facility is.
Thank you so much. And also, it's really, really difficult time to hire a skillful operator. So in the all over the world, in Japan also. So we use multitasking, right?
In Japan as well. So me coming from the US, we have our partners' methods there as well. We're here in Japan right now. You guys are in multiple countries around the world. It's good to know we're all kind of having the same labor shortage, and Nakamura-Tome can support that anywhere in the world, right?
Yeah, same. Also, we have same feeling, I know. So all of that customer thinking, so because we feel same thing. Yep.
I think that closes out the conversation, my friends. We do appreciate you watching, and I would love to show you what I get to see personally with Shogo-san, but these are secrets that we cannot put on camera. However, 9 machines, over 300 parts, multitasking, saving real estate. I'm very excited, but I got to close out this video. Thank you all for watching. Shogo-san, thank you for being here. And thank you for letting us come into the factory.
Thank you so much.